up to quarter size. Some The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a tornado warning for central Liberty County in southeast Georgia until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a rotating thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado over Hinesville, near McIntosh, moving south at 10 miles an hour. The public reported a funnel cloud in this area. Some locations in the warning include McIntosh, Flemington, Midway, Ellenhurst, Waltherville, Crossroads. Hinesville, take shelter as thunderstorms approach. Report hail, down trees, limbs, and power lines directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so. The National Weather Service in Charleston